Okay, this is just a brief video to show you some of the features of the most common construction commands. Okay, so the construction commands are over here. Okay, and we can start by just clicking on the default button there. And you can see it brings up some of the construction options. So one of the first ones is here is the construction line cross. And this is a very handy tool for when you start your drawing in the first place. Okay. Then you've got your horizontal construction line, your vertical construction line. Okay, so they're the two main construction lines that you're going to be using. So to use a construction line in a horizontal manner, just click on it and then just place it wherever you want using left click on your mouse, and then you can offset those and so on. You want to then change that to vertical, click on the vertical construction line, and again left clicking all the time to place the line wherever you want. Okay, just going to undo some of those lines there now for a second. So another important tool that we use quite a lot when we're doing orthographic projection is the projection tool. So if I click here, you see it says projection. It asks me, do I want to turn projection on? And I do, so I turn it on. And then it's looking for the direction of the plane. So we'll place it at the intersection of our axis there. And then you can see I can move it around into whichever area I want. Okay, so if I want to put it up here, just left click. Just be careful that you don't click on something with your cursor because it will put the projection line in at a strange angle. Okay, so once you have that in, then you can see if I click on construction line again, click on horizontal. Now when the line comes across, it hits the projection line and it comes down to where your end view is going to be placed. Okay, thanks.